Okay, finally here. 1 day away. Like, not even a day, like half of a day away. You guys know what I'm excited for. You've seen the title. I'm gonna be getting my dog in this video. We have the cage set up right here, and then we have some other funny things. You can hear my other dogs barking. But yeah. Let's just get right into this cage and see what's happening. Yeah.
Drop it. Yeah.
So here is the cage first. I'm not going to show you that side because there's some surprises behind the dog cage. But this is just cage. It's an 8x10. It's got a rubber floor on the bottom, then insulation, then plastic pallets. Have this like little mat thing here. We have a lock for it. Let's get in here and check out cage tour. I'm no joke really stupid. I just shut the door on myself. Like, look, I just shut the door on myself. This is bad. Alright, so I have the door open. Right here is his dog house. You'll see in here, there's like this weather pallet or thing. Alright, I'll go ahead and show you guys the surprises. He's gonna be a shed dog. Alright, I got a little stand. Here's the bigger one compared to the little one. Whole lot bigger, fatter. So, also, if you didn't see the last video, it just tells about what kind of dog it is and stuff. Next thing is his collar. Now it says it's blaze orange, and it has a little dog thing right here, and like a heart, and it says hunting buddy. So it's a pretty cool collar. That's what his leash says too. So we have a matching collar and matching leash, both blaze orange. Then we got his favorite toy right here. I'm going to take him a deer horn to play with in the morning, because if he's going to be a shed dog, why not just go ahead and play with sheds? Yeah. I'm going to take this stuff back upstairs. Quick intro for you guys. Not going to talk to you much. See you in the morning. Alright, we're going under the bridge. Animal shelter is right up here. What we have is we got his collar and his little vest and his bone and this short leash. Then we have a sheet so that he don't wallow everywhere. But pulling in right now. Here we go. Oh, I see him.
You already have him out?
Yeah, they have him out front.
Oh, look. Oh, Travis, because I knew you didn't want to come.
Look at him. Alright guys, so we just got back from the animal shelter and we got Bo here. Say what's up. He don't care. He wants his horn. Here. Yeah. So, when we get home, we're going to play with him some. We got to take him to the vet later because they're closed right now. So, oh, look. Hey. Yeah. He's cute, ain't he? But when we get home, we'll play with him. I'll get some funny.
Everybody likes him, throw a thumbs up.
Yeah. 1 like equals 1 prayer for us so he don't go crazy. Okay guys, so we're at McDonald's right now. He's over here watching this dude mow. We just ordered an ice cream cone and a and a large water. We're gonna let him drink the water because he's like burning up. He's been playing with this horn the whole time. He's so thirsty right now. But whatever, we're going to get the ice cream cone, let him have a few licks of it. Right, Bo? Bo. Yeah, what you doing? All right. He's gonna get some licks of the ice cream cone and water, and we'll get on our way home, ain't we, my little dude? Just this new spot. He's laying in the floor of the car. Do you like it down there better?
Burn the frame up.
Yeah, probably. Here. What is he doing? This is hilarious. Alright guys, he's drinking McDonald's water. He was dying of thirst. Next is his ice cream.
Spill it.
Yeah, probably. You're drinking so much. You're going to get drunk on water.
Sit.
Alright, sit back.
Don't do it on that rug.
Sit. You ain't listening, guys. Sit.
Show him the ice cream.
Alright, look. You want the ice cream?
Don't let it fall.
He's almost done his ice cream. There it goes. You want to take the last bite? You need to clean this up. His collar needs to be tight. Oh! Come on! It's new house! You got a big yard here, don't you? Here, come on. Oh no. Yes, the other guy. Let's go look at the street. Okay. Go look at the street. By the way, guys, if you're wondering why I'm using this leash, it's because I didn't take the one that we had gotten, and they just gave us this kind of stuff. Town stuff. I don't want to get him wet right now. We can go in the creek and later. Okay guys, I've not got to do a bunch of filming so far. We played with him for a little bit. He's been worn out. We're taking him to the vet right now to get his shots. Then we're going to go to Royal King. So we're going to go to Royal King, get him a harness because he keeps choking himself with this collar. Get that right? Yeah, he keeps choking himself. But we taught him. We let him play around with horns and sheds for a little bit. He was doing really good. He would like just fall over, like, what? Daddy, tell him what he was doing.
He was looking for him to start with, but then he realized that his sense of smell was working a whole lot better than looking, so he got his nose on the ground, and unless the wind was blowing against him, he was pretty well finding them every time. With some pretty tall grass.
Yeah, he was
Pretty
doing
good start.
He was doing really good. I still have his bone in the car in here. Keeps playing with it. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get done at the vet. May film in the vet some. I don't know, but yeah, see you at the vet. Say it's my first time on interstate. Alright, so say I weighed 42 pounds. I'm 5 months old.
4 or 5 months old.
4 or 5 months old. And I tried to pick a fight with almost every dog in there. So it's the next day, guys. I didn't film anymore yesterday. Out of school again today. So I just wanted to spend more time with him, so I'm out of school today. I've been playing with him all day today. We went and got some food, and I think he's in his doghouse. So we're going to go see what he does. We're going to sneak down there, see what he does. What's up, Bo? How you doing? Good, good. I thought that you were in your doghouse. What are you doing? You want to come outside and play? Alright. Like I was saying, you don't even have to use a leash with me. I finally got the door open. It's like stuck. See? He'll just follow me everywhere and stay on top of me. But watch. When I go over here, he knows to sit because he wants a treat. Hey, you want to show him your tricks, Bo? Alright, let's go. Sit. Down. 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 Good boy, Bo. Good boy. I'm going to film another video with him. This was just more of getting him and stuff. Yeah. He also hates robins. I don't know why. He just like doesn't like robins at all. I may film another video today because we're going to plan on, Bo, come here. We're going to plan on taking him outside and playing with him more today, but I've been inside eating. I'm going to show you guys the tie out that he uses. You take this clip, and then here, you clip it onto these straps right here. There. Now, he's all good to go. We'll let you guys watch me and him, or him chase me on my dirt bike real quick, so let's do that. Guys out.